the gas. Okay, let's go ahead and have that there. And now we're gonna do one final test through, dude. Oh my goodness, you're gonna visit a PR in a few years, dude. Let's run it up, bro. Let's run it up, and then you could design it. Let's run it up, and you design it, dude. Okay, so now I just need to make sure that all of these pages work correctly. And then I think this is launched. That means that the bootcamp is closed. Closed. Let's see, let's see. Let's make sure. Let's make sure. Let's go through carefully because I always fuck this up. Okay, sick. I think I need to make those as well, actually. Um, I think I'm gonna delete this part for the website. Let's go to moondev.com. So this is the challenge, bro. February 25th, 26th, and 27th. Okay. General admission ticket here. 97 one time. QA roadmap. Private Discord. This should say, okay, I'm gonna rewrite this. Coaching roadmap and Discord. Save. Oh, I need to make that website. Not so too. Might as well, dude. Start designing it, bro. Architecture is beautiful, like coding. Absolutely, I agree.
Hey, dickhead, get your mind right. Don't preach to me about my perky habit, bitch, this is my life.
I think I'm gonna delete this from the website, dude. All this. I'm gonna do that right now, actually.